I figure I'd give you a little bit of an update. It is still 4th of July down here at Hazel Green. The river is super swift, and I'm down here playing more than I am fishing, it feels like. But what I did notice out of the blue, there is a 3.5-foot gar feeding along this bank, and I threw a live perch in front of him. He took it. I didn't hook him. And he came back for my second live perch, so I figured I should probably go ahead and try and get it on film. So I got a perch head out and a live perch, and playing with this gar. Like I said, he did take my bait the first time, so I'm gonna try and hook this gar. Stay tuned with us. Looks like my perch is just laying there now. There he's moving again. Fighting perch. Brought him right up to the bank. Got it. My gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe that. I can't believe it. I didn't get it on film, but it happened not on my live perch, but on my perch head. Jeez. I cannot believe that just happened. He's not as big as I thought he was, but we'll take him. Said he was he's hunting right here. Maybe there's more of them. We'll take a quick selfie and get him back in the water. All right, I'm gonna let him go. Oh, there you go. There he goes. That's him. Wow, folks, I can't believe that. I was just giving an update, talking about what I was gonna do, and it happened while I was doing an interview about it. I was just watching the wrong pole. He had been about 3 foot from the bank, and I had my perch head about 6 foot back from the bank. Anyway, we're going to try it again. I had seen him along the bank, so that's pretty cool fishing by sight. Anyway, let's try her again. I'm going to do some micro fishing real quick. Got this nice log jam here in front of me. I'll show you real quick, but with as much fun and luck as I've had with Tina and the kids doing some micro fishing for perch and goggle eye, I can't not try it. So before we get into some catfishing, we're going to do a little bit of micro fishing. So nice little log jam right here. It's really nice. Another log jam over there. And I might move that way. Or no. Depends where I'll set up for catfishing, but I'm going to try and catch a few small fish right here. See if we can catch it on film. Stay tuned with us. There we go. Something finally. I love catching these little pumpkin sun perch. I've already got a little bit of bait, perch bait, so just having a little fun here before I rig up for catfishing. First one, boom, slammed it. Oh, folks, you can have a lot of fun just on worms at the river. Get you some light tackle. Have a lot of fun at the river. Just get yourself some light tackle, some worms. I'm not even using a sinker. Of course, these aren't real big, but they're pretty, and if we were using them for bait, we'd be doing good. All right, let's see if we can get something a little bit bigger. Ooh. I think I missed a little bit better bite right there. Whoop. This may be where I come back to set my catfish lines out right here. Whoop. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer. All right, there we go. All right. Again, we're just out here having a good time. I had a really good time playing around with those gar yesterday, so hopefully we can make something like that happen again. I'd like to find a few little channel cats right here. It's hard to catch them out of this Gasconade River, I ain't gonna lie, but we'll give our best shot. Stay tuned with us. All right, this one is going a glob of night crawler. I haven't done that this year yet, so we're going for drum, we're going for cat, channel cat, we're going for anything. I want a piece of that worm. There's one. Let's get this second pole set up. Alright. Got our Kool-Aid chicken breast with minced garlic. Ain't nothing wrong with that. We'll see what happens. Hopefully we get some hungry fish coming by. I'll take a bite out of that. Might be another gar. Took my bait. Man. Alright, I just got a pretty decent bite on chicken breast. Unfortunately missed it, so what I've done is I've changed hook size and also to smaller and smaller bait size. Hopefully this will help me land a fish a little bit easier. That hook may have been just too big for this area. Anyway, I'm try her again. A little weasel, it looks like. Alright folks, well, we're still going hard at it. I'm not giving up hope yet, but man, I've been here about 2 hours. I've seen a few fish flop, and I've had some little nibbles, but nothing really what we're looking for. Again, I thought this log jam would here produce a little bit better than what it has. But anyway, I'm gonna save myself some daylight. I got a little bit of a hike out, so thanks again so much. We'll see you next time.